Hello children, my name is Babajide Sanwoolu. I'm the governor of Lagos State. You know, as part of
ó yá o ẹ jẹ́ kí n wá sọ di mímọ̀ fún yín wípé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Ìkòròdú ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ kan níbi tí fọ́nrán kan ti jà rìnrìn káàkiri ibi tá a ti rí olùkọ́ kan tó ti na ọmọ ọdún mẹ́ta ọkùnrin Michael tó nà á bí àgbàlagbà lórí wípé ó ń kọ níṣẹ́ ìgbárùn ló ń kó fún ọmọ yìí. Eléyìí ni èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ olùkọ́ náà ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí ló bá ṣe fọ́nrán rẹ̀ ó kà á lẹ̀ ló bá fi sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Eléyìí ló wá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ló tàn káàkiri àgbáláyé o ló bá di wípé àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà wọ́n ń pè fún fífi ọwọ́ òfin gbé arábìnrin yìí ká tó ṣẹ́jú pé wọ́n fi ọwọ́ òfin gbé arábìnrin yìí ó gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ti ṣe lọ mú lọ́jọ́ tí à ń wí yìí. Ẹ wò ó, etí tó gbà lọ ó wá di dandan kó gbà bọ̀ lásìkò yìí ó. Ní àná ni wọ́n mú arábìnrin yìí lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́ májísírèètì tó fìdí kalẹ̀ sí ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó. Níbẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti sọ di mímọ̀ wípé arábìnrin yìí tórúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Stella Nwadigbo òun ni kí wọ́n lọ ṣe kíni kí wọ́n lọ sọ sí ibi tí ń ṣe ọgbà àtúnwàṣe ìyẹn ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n prison òun ni ó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ látàrí ìwà kò tọ́ èyí tó wù sí ọmọdékùnrin yìí ẹni ọdún mẹ́ta ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ìlú Ìkòròdú. Ó wá sọ di mímọ̀ sí.
The child is your child, and you cause no chaos in the country.
I'm hearing you, man. Listen.
Listen. You know what this woman has caused the whole country as a whole.
Hello children, my name is Babajide Sanwoolu. I'm the governor of Lagos State. You know, as part of the celebration of the Children's Day celebration this year, I think it's important for me to just look around and see what we're doing in our education sector. And so there is a concept where we've christened it Read Aloud Lagos. It's a hashtag Read Aloud Lagos. And so you've had lots of your parents at home with you in the past couple of weeks. And I know that they've been taking out time on a daily basis to read with you for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. And I think we need to thank all our parents for that. But given the celebration of Children's Day, let me just flip through and read one new book that just fell into my hands by a Nigerian lady, Olubunmi Abodurin Talabi. And it's very, very important given what we're doing now. The book is titled, Why Do You Wash Your Hands? Children, you can imagine. So the book is titled, Why Do You Wash Your Hands? And it's by Olubunmi Talabi. So we'll just flip through very quickly and I'll just share a few of the thoughts as we go along and I'll read them with you. So it's a concept, children, of a mom, her daughter, and a little girl, right? And so the daughter was asking her mom, Mama, why do we wash our hands? And the mom, typical mothers, answered, I said, I wash my hands to remove dirt and germs. Germs make people sick. So the little girl asked, when should I wash my hands, Mama? And so she called all the other children around. Children, come and tell your sister when you should wash your hands. So I have the first picture here, which shows that she is in a bathroom. After you use the toilet, you need to wash your hands. So children, after using the bathroom, you need to wash your hands. The next page. After you play outside with your friends, with your neighbors, you need to wash your hands. And the next one, after you play with your pets, maybe you have a dog as a pet or you have a cat, whatever it is that you have as a pet, you need to wash your hands after playing with your pets. Don't forget, it's still part of hashtag Read Along Lagos. So the next one is after you cough or sneeze, it's important for you to wash your hands. So here we have After I cough or sneeze, I have to wash my hands. So there's another one here. It's a full daughter, little girl, and mama. After you change the diaper, which is maybe you're helping your mom out to change your little one's diaper, you need to wash your hands. Another page. Okay. After you touch the bin, so maybe you've helped your mom in the kitchen and you have taken the bin outside, you've dropped it. So we need to wash our hands after touching the bin or after taking the trash out into the bin. And I think another one here. After shaking hands, we need to wash our hands. You know the reason why you need to wash your hand after shaking your hands? You don't know where your friend is coming from. You don't know, maybe he has just finished using the toilet. Maybe he has just finished dropping the bin, but you have kept yourself clean. You don't know what your friends have been doing, but you've shook his hand. You need to go and wash your hands after all. So you see different models of washing hands. So you turn off the tap, you apply soap, you wash your hand thoroughly with soap and water. Make sure that you wash them very, very well. Make sure your two palms are well together. You wash them thoroughly. You scrub everywhere. You scrub the front, the back. I'm sure your teachers in school are teaching you all of that. Then you rinse properly. Don't rush. Make sure if it is running water, just rinse your hands very, very, very well. And after rinsing, then you get a napkin and dry your hand. Dry them very well. Make sure they are well dried up so that you have very nice, clean, and safe fingers. Thank you very much, children, for being.
Help you. You are who? Badani Fumi. As blessed of me, we are not going to reveal with this. We are going to let me be one of God to jail. Please, you are a one more. The whole country is above. Everywhere is messed up. Because of you. Excuse me. Look at the whole country is messed up now. The whole country is messed up. Number 6.